Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to the Daily House Ideas. Today, we're diving into something truly magical, creating a white farmhouse Christmas that wraps your entire home in cozy neutrals, warm woods, and twinkling lights. If you love that effortless, lived-in charm with a touch of holiday sparkle, you're in the right place. Before we begin this festive journey together, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our design inspiration. Give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to transform your space. And I'd love to hear your favorite Christmas decor idea in the comments below. Let's start where your guests' eyes first land: your farmhouse exterior. The key to nailing the white farmhouse Christmas look begins with simplicity and natural elements. Think classic white or cream siding adorned with fresh greenery garlands drape across the porch railings. Add a beautiful wreath with eucalyptus, cotton stems, and white berries on your front door. Flank the entrance with matching lanterns filled with battery-operated candles and pinnacones. Consider wrapping porch columns with warm white string lights and placing galvanized metal buckets filled with evergreen branches near the steps. This restrained palette creates the coveted farmhouse aesthetic while maintaining timeless Christmas charm. Your entryway sets the entire mood for your farmhouse Christmas. Start with a reclaimed wood bench featuring a cozy cream cushion and layered throw pillows in buffalo check or linen. Above it, hang a statement piece, perhaps a vintage window frame wrapped with fresh garland, or a large round mirror with a simple greenery swag. Install shaker-style hooks for coats and hats, decorating every other hook with mini wreaths tied with jute ribbon. Place a long wooden tray on the bench for keys and essentials, styling it with white candles and small mercury glass ornaments. A natural fiber runner or vintage-inspired mat grounds the space, while a galvanized metal basket corrals winter boots beautifully. The living room is where farmhouse Christmas magic truly comes alive. Begin with your foundational pieces. A slip-covered sofa in natural linen or cotton creates the relaxed, approachable vibe. Layer in texture with a chunky knit throw in cream or oatmeal, and add pillows mixing patterns like ticking stripe, subtle plaids, and solid linens. Choose a reclaimed wood coffee table or one with a weathered finish. This warm wood element is essential to farmhouse style. Position a vintage-inspired area rug in muted tones beneath your seating arrangement. These neutral layers create the perfect backdrop for Christmas touches without overwhelming your space with color or pattern. Now let's add those Christmas touches that make hearts sing. Drape a luxurious garland across your mantel using fresh or fox greenery mixed with white berries and subtle pinnacones. Tuck in battery-operated fairy lights for that essential warm glow. Range white ceramic houses, vintage candlesticks at varying heights, and mercury glass votives along the mantel. Flank your fireplace with galvanized buckets or white ceramic urns filled with tall branches, magnolia stems, or more greenery. On your coffee table, create a vignette using a wooden dough bowl filled with white and cream ornaments, mixing in natural elements like pinnacones and cinnamon sticks for texture and subtle fragrance. Your Christmas tree deserves special attention in this farmhouse scheme. Opt for a full, realistic fox tree or fresh evergreen, keeping it beautifully simple. String warm white lights generously. This is where you create that magical glow. Decorate using a curated palette, white and cream ornaments, natural wood slice ornaments, felt balls, and touches of galvanized metal. Add handmade touches like burlap ribbon, muslin garland, or twine-wrapped ornaments. Skip the traditional tree topper for a more organic approach, perhaps a simple eucalyptus bundle, or let the natural treetop shine. Place the tree in a rustic basket or galvanized container for that authentic farmhouse touch. Lighting transforms your farmhouse Christmas from pretty to absolutely enchanting. Layer your lighting sources for maximum impact. Start with overhead fixtures, Perhaps a vintage-inspired chandelier or modern farmhouse pendant. Add table lamps with linen or burlap shades on side tables, creating pools of warm light. Drape string lights along windows, tuck them into garlands, and wrap them around branches in decorative containers. Place lag candles of varying heights throughout the room on the mantel, coffee table, and windowsills. Consider adding a small spotlight to highlight your Christmas tree. This multi-layered approach creates depth, warmth, and that inviting glow perfect for holiday gatherings. The dining room embodies farmhouse hospitality during Christmas. Center your space around a substantial farmhouse table, ideally reclaimed wood or distressed finish showcasing natural grain and character. Surround it with mismatched vintage chairs, Windsor-style seating, or simple benches for that collected over time aesthetic. Hang a statement light fixture above think lantern-style chandeliers, wagon wheel designs, or clustered Edison bulbs. Position a large antique hutch or open shelving against one wall to display white ironstone, vintage serving pieces, and seasonal decor. Keep wells in soft whites or warm creams, adding shiplap or board dam batten for architectural interest that defines farmhouse style. Create a Christmas tablescape that's both stunning and approachable. Start with a simple linen or burlap table runner down the center, leaving wood visible on the edges. Layer white or cream dishes mix china patterns for collected charm with simple linen napkins tied with twine or narrow ribbon. Create a centerpiece using a long wooden dough bowl or tray filled with fresh greenery. White candles at varying heights, pinnacones, and scattered white ornaments. Intersperse small mercury glass votives for sparkle. Add brass or copper candlesticks for warm metallic touches. Place sprigs of eucalyptus or rosemary at each setting for natural elegance. This and fussy approach feels special without being precious. The farmhouse kitchen balances function with undeniable charm. White or cream shaker-style cabinets form the backbone, paired with warm wood elements like butcher block countertops or open shelving in reclaimed wood. Choose a farmhouse sink. That deep apron front style is iconic for a good reason. Your refrigerator can be panel-ready for seamless integration or a classic white finish. Select a vintage-inspired stove, perhaps in white or cream with brass hardware. Position a small coffee station on the counter featuring a simple drip coffee maker or French press on a wooden tray. Add texture through natural fiber baskets for storage and display white ironstone or stoneware on open shelves. Deck your kitchen with understated Christmas elegance that doesn't interfere with functionality. Drape garland across the upper cabinets or along open shelving, weaving in string lights and white berries. Fill glass jars with white and cream ornaments, pinnacones, or Epsom salt for fox snow displays. Place a small potted rosemary topiary on the counter. It's festive, fragrant, and useful for cooking. Hang a simple wreath on a window or decorative hooks. Style your coffee station with a small wooden sign, white candles, and a tiny Christmas tree or evergreen branches in a vintage pitcher. Keep dish towels in holiday patterns, buffalo check, or simple stripes hung from brass hooks or your oven handle. The family room is your home's casual heart, perfect for movie nights and relaxed celebrations. Design round comfort with a deep sectional or oversized sofa in durable neutral fabric. Think linen look performance fabrics that handle family life. Mount your flat screen TV above a rustic console or vintage credenza in warm wood tones. Add a plush area rug in neutral tones that can handle traffic. Include plenty of seating options, posts, floor cushions, or a cozy armchair with ottoman. Built-in shelving painted in soft white provides storage for books, baskets, and decorative items. Large windows dressed in simple linen curtains welcome natural light while maintaining the airy farmhouse feel. Infuse Christmas spirit into your family room with low maintenance, kid-friendly decor. Drape a chunky knit blanket over the sofa in cream or gray, topping it with festive pillows and washable fabrics. Style your console with a simple garland behind the TV, adding battery-operated candles for ambience during movie nights. Fill decorative baskets on shelves with white ornaments or greenery clippings. Hang oversized stockings from the console or nearby hooks. Place a wooden tray on the coffee table with mugs ready for hot cocoa, alongside a small hurricane filled with ornaments. Consider a small tabletop tree or a side table artificial for longevity decorated in your neutral palette. Carve a home office corner that's both functional and farmhouse charming. Choose a simple wooden desk with clean lines, perhaps a vintage writing desk, or modern farmhouse style with turn legs. Position it near a window for natural light and inspiration. Add a comfortable chair, maybe a vintage wooden desk chair with a cushion or upholster option in neutral fabric. Install floating shelves above the desk in warm wood for books and supplies. Place a small vintage radio on the desk for ambience music enhances creativity and productivity. Include a unique small desk clock, perhaps an antique-inspired piece or simple modern farmhouse design. Bring Christmas cheer to your workspace without creating clutter. Drape a simple strand of greenery across your floating shelves, adding small clips to display holiday cards or inspiration. Place a small white ceramic tree on your desk corner alongside that vintage radio. Swap your usual desk accessories for a white ceramic pencil holder filled with candy canes or evergreen sprigs. Add a single battery-operated candle for cozy ambience during evening work sessions. Hang a small wreath on the window or wall nearby using simple jute twine. Keep it minimal. Your office needs to remain functional, but these small touches make work feel more festive throughout the season. Every farmhouse needs a dedicated reading nook for quiet moments. Start with a comfortable chair. Think oversized wingback, slip-covered armchair, or even a cozy window seat with cushions. Position a small side table within arm's reach for your coffee mug and book. Add excellent task lighting with a floor lamp featuring an adjustable arm or traditional pharmacy-style lamp. Layer in a chunky knit throw blanket and plenty of pillows for ultimate comfort. Place a small footstool or ottoman nearby, if space allows, at a narrow bookshelf displaying your current reads and treasured favorites. Natural textures like a jute rug beneath the chair enhance the farmhouse aesthetic. Your bedroom deserves special Christmas attention as your private sanctuary. Build around a simple bed frame in warm wood or painted white, dressed with high-quality white or cream linens, Egyptian cotton, or linen for that luxury feel. Layer the bed with a textured quilt in neutral tones, adding a chunky knit throw across the foot. Pile on pillows mixing sizes and textures, Hiroshim's, standard pillows, and accent pillows in subtle patterns. Flank the bed with matching nightstands in warm wood holding simple lamps with linen shades. A vintage-inspired dresser and perhaps a cozy armchair create additional functionality while maintaining that serene, uncluttered farmhouse aesthetic. Add Christmas enchantment to your bedroom with gentle, restful touches. Drape delicate greenery garland across your headboard or along a window frame, keeping it simple and fresh. Place white candles in varying heights on your dresser alongside a small arrangement of eucalyptus or white berries. Swap regular throw pillows for ones in seasonal neutrals, cream velvet, cable knit covers, or subtle metallic accents. Hang a simple wreath above your bed or on your closet door using ribbon in cream or natural jute. String fairy lights along a ladder propped against the wall displaying cozy throughs. The goal is restful holiday spirit, nothing too stimulating that disrupts sleep. Transform your bathroom into a farmhouse-inspired spa. Install a walk-in shower with subway tile and a simple glass door, adding a wooden stool for both function and style. Choose a classic white pedestal sink or vessel sink atop a vintage wooden console. The warm wood element is crucial. Add a large mirror with a simple frame or go frameless for modern farmhouse appeal. Use open shelving or a vintage ladder for towel storage. Styling with rolled white towels, woven baskets, and small plants. Keep hardware in warm brass or matte black for contrast. Include a vintage-style rug in neutral tones for warmth, underfoot, and texture. Don't overlook your garage. It's part of your home story too. Maximize wall space with sturdy wooden pegboards or slat wall systems for tool organization, keeping everything visible and accessible. Install custom shelving in warm wood tones or painted white for bins and seasonal storage. Create a mudroom-style entry zone with hooks for coats, a bench for shoes, and cubbies for family members. Add a small potting bench if you're a gardener. Paint walls in a durable light neutral color and consider epoxy flooring in gray for easy maintenance. Hang vintage-inspired lighting and display a few decorative touches. A wreath on the door to the house brings Christmas cheer even here. There you have it, friends, your complete guide to creating a white farmhouse Christmas filled with cozy neutrals, warm woods, and magical lights throughout every space. Remember, farmhouse style is about authenticity and comfort, not perfection. Mix vintage finds with new pieces. Layer textures generously. And don't be afraid to let your personality shine through. The beauty of this aesthetic is its flexibility and timelessness. If you love this farmhouse Christmas journey, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for more design inspiration delivered straight to you. Drop a comment below telling me which space you're most excited to decorate. I read every single one and love hearing from you. Happy decorating, and may your home be merry and bright.